Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Battlefield 6 gamepad or controller not working on PC. So if you are also into the same situation, then go through the methods discussed in this video. The first method is to restart PC as well as Steam. So for that, first go to Steam. Now click on Steam option over here, then click on exit. After this, click on start icon, then click on power, then select restart. So this will restart your system once you restart PC as well as Steam. Now check if controller or gamepad is working or not. If not, next solution is to update controller drivers. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now select and expand human interface device. Now here you have to select your controller. After selecting it, right click on it, click on update driver, then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will find if there is any update available for your drivers, and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not. Next is to enable disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on properties, right click on it, select properties. Now click on controller, and after that here you need to click on or select enable Steam input, and after that check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, again come back, and here you need to select disable Steam input, and then check if the problem is fixed now. If not, next is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys, as this is one of the best trick to resolve such kind of unexpected issues of gamepad or controller not working on the game. So you can try it. If not, then go to the next method. It's verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, under library section, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files, and here click on verify integrity of game files. So after verifying the game files, now check if the problem you are coming across is resolved or not. Next solution is to check for game updates. So you must check if there is any update available for the game. After updating the game, try to launch the game again and check if it's working. This is because developers often releases the updates on the game that you should download and install it to avoid all such kind of issues that occur unexpectedly. So you go to Steam and select your game, and here you can see if there is any update available. Simply click on update, and after that try to check if the problem is fixed or not. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you need to click on check for updates. If there is any update available, it will check and update your Windows to the latest version, and then try to check if gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, some other troubleshooting tips to follow is clear cache on Steam. So for that, launch Steam. Now click on Steam option over here, then click on settings, then go to the download section, and here you can see clear download cache. Simply click on clear cache option. So after clearing the cache, now check if gamepad or controller is working or not. Next you can do is using wired plug for a controller, then unplug it and replug it. So you can do this step, as it is also a useful method to fix the issue. If not, then you can use big picture mode for Battlefield 6. So for that, go to Steam. Now under library section, here you can see big picture mode. Click on it. Now after this, search for your game, and after searching for the game, now launch it, and after launching it, check if it's playing or not. If it's playing, then you have to click on Steam option over here, then click on power, then click on exit big picture mode, and after this check if the problem is resolved or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.